Hello, Sam. I'm back. I'm very tired. Have you seen Mom? I haven't seen her. Hello, Dad. I think she's in the garden now. She told me she had to water the plants. Oh, okay. I'll go where she is. Hey, what happened? Why are you angry? Oh, I have been trying to download something, but I can't. This computer doesn't work. Oh, I see. All right, I will check your computer after dinner. Is that okay? Yeah, whatever. I think this technology thing is starting to stress me out. That relax. I know it can be stressing sometimes, but you will be fine. You work with technology every day. Do you think it is good for people? Tell me the truth. Well, I am not sure. It has its advantages and disadvantages. There is not just one answer. I want to know. You're a programmer and a computer engineer. I need to know. Well, you cannot imagine your world without technology. That's for sure. Today, it is one of the essential things that the world needs. Technology has both positive and negative effects. Many people use it for their growth, and some use it to harm society and the ecosystem. It increases production. The technology helps increase production multiple times. Human efforts and energy of working are limited, but with machinery, the production can be multiplied and is done with perfection. Technology has helped people make profits multiple times. But that can't be good. These machines steal people's jobs. That's not good. Yeah, many people think like you, but it is part of progress. Plus, new jobs are created every day. Well, maybe you're right. Like your job, right? You work with technology. Exactly. If there was no technology, I could not have this job. I understand. But I want to know more. What other advantages does technology have? Well, it saves time. Today, time is money. Thus, technology helps to save a lot of time and increases efficiency and productivity. We can complete huge tasks within less time. Today, everything is automated, and this technology helps to save a lot of time in doing things that are not possible by humans. I will give you one example. If you don't have the time to buy clothes, just shop online and you will get the delivery at your doorstep. Thus, it is through technology that one can use time on other important things. Well, that's true. I save a lot of time shopping online, but nothing compares to the experience of going shopping in person. Seriously. And you're right. But guess what? You can choose. You can shop online or in person. Yeah, I guess so. And also communication, right? Social networks and those things. Yes, easy and quick communication. Technology has made communication just a button away. With a click of a button, you can make calls, send emails, fax, order things online, and do a lot of things with the help of technology. Technology has helped us in giving better modes of communication. Now you don't need to write letters to your loved ones if you're missing them. Do a video call and feel them close to you. It is something easy to do and it's amazing. Well, again, you're right, but there is also a big problem with that. It makes it dangerous because you can communicate with other people that easily. It can be dangerous. Yeah, that is a big disadvantage. So, I recommend to all parents to be careful. And not only the parents, everyone has to be careful. Technology can be dangerous too. But talking about dangerous things, it reduces online crime, cybercrime. Today, the technology is so advanced that there are apps made to find fraud within seconds. Cyber attacks have reduced as there are advanced algorithms made to detect any kind of cybercrime. Cybercrime? Do you mean the crime that technology itself has created? Yeah, that's right. But there are apps, for example, with video camera and alarms, or also to spend money. You don't have to go to the bank to withdraw money. Well, I think we need to talk about data security. Today, your data is not at all safe with you, as there are people who know the use of technology and have become hackers. Using the latest technology, they can hack your computer, bank accounts, office data, and a lot more. Just by sitting at home, it has become risky to share information online as the risk of fraud is high. Sharing a single piece of information online clearly means that there are vast chances of data reaching the hands of criminals, hackers, terrorists, and foreign enemies. Also, people get distracted easily. That's what our teachers told us. People get distracted easily by using different gadgets rather than going through something fruitful. There are social media that has kept youngsters, adults, and children engaged, and thus they get distracted from doing their daily chores. Kids find it hard to concentrate on their studies, as most of them today own a laptop or a phone. Am I right? Watching a movie every night. There are people who have an addiction to gambling online, which has its own diverse effects. In addition to anything, even technology is bad. I wouldn't say technology is bad. As I told you before, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Yeah, I guess you're right. But what do you think our subscribers think? Yeah, that's a good question. Is technology good or bad? In your opinion? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more,
Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.